leaving Harlem. There's Duke Ellington.
Our next stop will be the Gardens of Central Park. Anyone going to the gardens? You are? Aren't you in Scotland? And just wait. I just have
Wow.
Coming up, just wait for me. Coming up will be the Gardens of Central Park. See this lake on your right? It's man-made. The city even put some fish in there so the kids could go fishing. Yeah. All these trees along the side of the park, see the double row of trees? They were planted there and spaced so that they shield all the noise of New York from going into the park. You go in the center of the park, you hear none of the noise of the city. It's our backyard. Now, look to your right, the Gardens of Central Park, which the city doesn't pay for, and private citizens do. It starts here on your right. And then we're going to go by the Vanderbilt Gate. I'll ask you to look to your right through this gate, and you'll see why we have weddings here sometimes on a Saturday or Sunday. Just look at that. You can have a wedding there.
Wow.
Just give the city a check for $75. On your left is the first museum, the Museum of the Barrio, and this is another museum, the Museum of the City of New York. And just give me a few minutes, all right? Because I do have a few words.